Hello, everyone. Welcome to October 2025. It is time for a Tech Tip Roundup. In this video, I'm going to review the tech tips created for September 2025. With that being said, let's dive into these tech tips. For the week of September 1st, 2025, the tech tip was focused on Google Classroom updates for the start of the school year. Google undergoes many updates over the course of a calendar year, so these updates are some of the key features I think teachers would want to investigate further. I would like to highlight the draft grade feature in particular. This feature can create a default grade for missing assignments. I highly recommend checking your Google Classroom settings so that all features are turned on or off as desired. For the week of September 8th, 2025, this tech tip focused on key reminders for the Map Growth Testing Platform of NWEA. While the testing window is closed for baseline testing, I want to take this opportunity to emphasize the importance of reviewing documentation with regards to computer-based tests. This documentation can be a great help for preparing test sessions and providing solutions for troubleshooting during said sessions. For the week of September 15th, 2025, Go Guardian was promoted. Monitoring student behavior in the classroom is challenging in a one-to-one computing environment. It can be even more challenging if all of the student profiles do not load in the monitoring systems. This tip explains how to reconnect profiles to GoGuardian so all student screens can be viewed by a teacher. GoGuardian has many other tools that can be used, but one I especially find useful is the individual monitoring functions. Teachers can force open a tab, close a tab, or message a single student as needed. Instead of chastising an entire class, the actual problem behavior can be targeted. For the week of September 22nd, 2025, this tech tip about IXL was provided by one of my colleagues. Accessibility features can be so beneficial for all learners, whether they have specific needs documented or not. When using IXL, turning on audio support can assist students in their learning if they benefit from verbal cues when completing activities. Finally, let's talk about the week of September 29th, 2025. Technically, this week goes into October 2025, but for this video, the final tech tip of the month will be included. PowerSchool has many features for tracking student data, including the ability to provide written feedback through comments. Comment verification is where this feedback is for parents and the generation of various reports. PowerSchool is a system that is incredibly customizable, so what is shared here will not apply to all schools. That's all for September 2025's recap, and more will be shared next month. Remember, everyone, you are doing your best with the knowledge you have at the time.